We are going to cook豆苗or pea shoots today. This is 2 packets of豆苗. Wash and soak them for 15 to 20 minutes to rehydrate. Snip off the tough stems and break the stem into smaller parts if the shoots are too long. Just before cooking, give the colander a good shake to drain away excess water. We also need some ginger shreds and minced garlic. We start by frying the ginger and garlic. Add豆苗. Listen to the sizzle. The wok must be hot. This is why we have to shake off the excess water before we started cooking just now. Too much water will lower the temperature of the wok quickly and we will not be able to do a proper stir fry. It may look like we have a lot of vegetables now, but the vegetables will wilt, as you will see later.豆苗can be found at a wet market, but it is not always available. When it is available, I will usually buy and cook 2 packets of vegetables at one time, as everyone loves it. Keep the temperature at medium-high and keep stirring. You should still hear the sizzling sound at this point in time. Make sure the garlic do not burn. There is no need to add water during cooking. It is important that we rehydrate the vegetables well before cooking. Look at how much the豆苗have wilted. Add a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine. Add a teaspoon of soy sauce and this is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe and share the video with your family and friends.